Good morning and good evening to you all. My name is Stryker Jan. I am so excited to be there with you all. In this new video, I'm gonna teach you about how many and how much in English. The difference between how many and how much in English. So still connected and I'll be back. Okay guys, as you can notice on the board, how much and how many in English. How much and how many in English. Je dis à nous allons enseigner qui ça qui how much et qui ça qui how many. Qui est capable d'utiliser how much et qui est capable d'utiliser how many. Just subscribe for more interesting video. Vous pouvez le abonner, c'est une plus grosse façon capable d'aider nous pour nous avancer avec chanèl YouTube non. Yes, abonnez avec chanèl là pour pas rater yes vidéo. Okay, as you can see, how much is used with uncountable nouns. How much is used with uncountable nouns. Ça veut dire yo utiliser how much là devant des bagages que ou pas capable compter en anglais. Je vais vous donner quelques exemples des bagages que vous pas capable de compter. C'est là que vous utilisez how much. Vous utilisez how much devant quelques bagages que vous pas capable de compter en anglais. For example, I can say, how much soup? How much soup? Yes, est-ce que vous pouvez compter soup? No. I can say how much soup. After, I can say how much coffee? How much coffee? How much water? How much water? Il y a des gens qui sont capables de compter de en anglais. Je dis ou utiliser how much devant mot ou bien devant des bagages qui sont pas capables de compter en anglais. I can say how much sugar. How much sugar? Qu'est-ce qui est capable de compter si grenn si? No one. How much sugar? Sugar. And after, you can say how much sand? Beaucoup de sable. How much sand? Qu'est-ce qui est capable de compter si grenn sable? No one. Ça veut dire ou utiliser how much là devant des bagages qui ou pas capable de compter en anglais. Is used with uncountable nouns. Okay, now for questions with how much. Question capable poser avec how much. This is questions with how much. Questions with how much. You can say how much soup is there? How much soup is there? How much soup is there? Interrogação. How much soup is there? For the answer, you can respond. Answer. How much soup is there? You can say there is say there is a little soup. Yes. How much soup is there? You can say, combien de soup qui gagne? On va dire, gagne un petit cas soup. There is a little soup. Okay? After, I can also say, how much coffee is there? How much coffee is there? For the answer is, you can respond as there is a lot of coffee. Combien café? Yeah, papa dit, oh, bien pile café. There is a lot of coffee. After, the last question is, how much sugar would you like to buy? Wait, there we go. How much sugar would you like to buy? You can respond as for the answer is, you can say, I would like to buy some sugar. How much sugar would you like to buy? You can respond as, I would like to buy some sugar. Now, let's make a review for you for the first part. How much? Nous te parlons de how much et nous te disons utiliser how much devant des choses que nous pas capable de compter en anglais. Nous te parlons comme exemple, c'est how much soup, how much coffee, how much water, how much sugar, how much sand. Ça c'est des bagages que nous pas capable de compter en anglais. Et nous te parlons pour questions with how much, question que vous capable de poser avec how much. How much? You can say, how much soup is there? You can respond, there is a little soup. After I give to you, how much coffee is there? You can respond, there is a lot of coffee. Il y a un pile coffee. There is a lot of coffee. Après, troisième question, notez pas où, c'est how much sugar would you like to buy? Combien et si vous aimez acheter, we want, I would like to buy some sugar. Okay? As you can notice, for how many in English? Pour how many? Nous sommes expliquer how much, qu'il est capable d'utiliser how much. Now for how many? How many is only used with plural countable nouns. Is only used with plural countable nouns. Ça veut dire ou utiliser how many devant des choses que vous capable de compter mais qui toujours au pluriel. Is only used with plural countable nouns. Okay, now let me give you some example. I can say, for example, I can say, how many eggs? Combien Z? Vous connaissez? Z c'est un bagage capable de compter. Ok? How many eggs? Ça veut dire utiliser many devant bagage que vous capable de compter. Ok? How many eggs? On capable de compter Z. How capable de compter? How many potatoes? Pas capable de compter pommes de terre? Oui, capable de compter pommes de terre. How many potatoes? How many vegetables? How many vegetables? Kapag pote, legi. After, you can count table. You can say how many eggs, how many potatoes, how many vegetables. You can say how many cousins. Après, vous toujours mettez S. C'est ça, it is only used with plural countable nouns. So, après, mettez eggs au pluriel, potatoes, vegetables, and cousins. You can also say how many carrots. Carrot. How many carrots? Carrots. How many eggs? How many potatoes? How many vegetables? How many cousins? How many carrots? Now for question you can ask with how many. Corrections with how many in English. Questions with how many in English. You can say how many eggs, how many eggs, how many eggs are there? How many eggs are there? Ça c'est question qu'on va poser avec how many et puis eggs. How many eggs are there? You can respond for the answer is, you can say there are many eggs. Always in plural. There are many eggs. After, you can say for potatoes, you can make a sentence. Vous capable faire une phrase avec how many potatoes. Vous capable faire how many vegetables. Let's take how many vegetables. How many vegetables? How many vegetables are there? You can say a lot of phrases. Not only are there, you can say how many vegetables do we have? Okay? How many vegetables are there? You can say for the answer, you can say there are a lot of, it's not of, there are a lot of. When we have double F is of. When only F is of. There are a lot of vegetables. There are a lot of vegetables. Okay? And let's take another example. I can say how many cousins? I say cousins. How many cousins? And plural cousins do we have? How many cousins? Or do we or do you? Let's say do you? How many? This is a question. How many cousins do you have? you can respond as I have three cousins. It's not only three. You can have 20 cousins also. Okay? It's example. It's not an example. I have 3 cousins. Let's make a review. How many? Da parle de how many. Pour utiliser how many devant des bagages ou capable compter en anglais, ben toujours au pluriel. Plural countable nouns. Et je prends quelques exemples avant. Je prends how many eggs. Eggs means c'est. Potatoes, pommes de terre. Légumes et cousins. Les cousins, on va dire carottes. C'est toujours au pluriel. How many eggs? How many potatoes? How many vegetables? How many cousins? How many carrots? Et je prends quelques exemples pour questions with how many. Questions with how many. Pour première question, c'était how many eggs are there? For the answer is there are many eggs. And here, how many vegetables are there? Is there are a lot of vegetables. And the last one is how many cousins do you have? I have 3 cousins. Okay, I think that you memorized this lesson. Today, I'm gonna teach you about how much and how many in English. I think that you memorized this lesson. Do not forget to subscribe, leave a like and subscribe. And then, si vous pas trop abonné, abonnez avec channel là pour pas rater pièce vidéo nous. Partagez la famille, partagez la examen. It was a wonderful moment in this lesson, and this is your teacher. Goodbye.